Welcome to Science Lab with Mrs. Keener. When somebody is swinging in a swing, they go back and forth in a repeated pattern. Sometimes when things move, they have this kind of back and forth pattern. You'll see it when somebody swings in a swing. You'll see it when acrobats are performing on a trapeze. And you can also see it with a wrecking ball. All these things have something in common. They all have something swinging at the end of a string. When something swings from the end of a string and it goes back and forth, we call that a pendulum. Today, we're going to make pendulums and see how they move and see what affects how they move. You're going to need a piece of string that's around 2 feet long. It doesn't have to be exact. 1 foot, a second foot, cut it off. If you don't have regular string, you could use yarn or anything that's like a string, ribbon, dental floss, whatever, something string-like. And then you need to tie something to the end of it. I'm going to use a little toy. And I'm going to tie it on using an overhand knot. So I put the string through the loop, or if it didn't have a loop, I could just put it around the neck of the animal. And then I take the 2 pieces of string and I cross them in an X shape. And the part that's on top, it goes around the other one, it goes under it and comes up in the middle. And then pull the ends tight. And then repeat that. Cross them in an X, and the one that's on top goes around and to the back, and then up through the hole in the center and pull it tight. You don't have to pull it super tight. Now you have a pendulum. Swing it back and forth, test it out. Test a couple of different things with it. Try launching it from a higher angle or a lower angle. Try putting something different on the end of your string, like a different toy or even a spoon. Anything that you can tie to a string can be a pendulum. Make at least 2 different kinds of pendulums. Test them out, compare them. How can you make your pendulums go higher? How can you make your pendulums go faster? What happens if you use a shorter string by holding it closer to the thing that's swinging? What are the things that affect the motion of a pendulum? Record a video and share it with me in Flipgrid.